Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech G Cloud gaming handset right here. So I actually purchased this thing on Amazon right here, and I'm going to go into the website for Amazon, and I'm going to show you some of the features that we do got when we picked this up. So it's the Logitech G Cloud gaming handset, and this thing is marked down at $299 from $349. And it gives you the option to have the Logitech G Cloud and the G Cloud with the G case, so you can get two different models, the one with the case or just the regular standard version. And so I think that's pretty cool, but it's going to be a pretty decent price because this is going to give you the ability to play Xbox and NVIDIA GeForce NOW, and it's going to actually allow you to stream hundreds of AAA titles right here. You can see via Wi-Fi. You have Google Play apps on this thing, as well as Steam Link and Xbox streaming. It's a 7-inch touchscreen, up to 1080 by 60 frames per second, 16:9 aspect ratio for gaming. And so it's going to give you 12 hours of battery life and a lightweight, handset overall, which allows you to play all day. You can remap controls, haptics, touch screen, and gyroscope. So it does say precise controls on here. It does say that you do get stereo audio with dual microphones. It says right here everything that you get. It's a 463 grams of weight, 7-inch display on here, and then so you can basically play games through the cloud. And so I think this is going to be pretty cool, and it looks really promising. It just came out in September 2022, and so it's basically pretty new when it comes to this thing. So it does offer 2 lithium polymer batteries required right here, as you can see right there. And so it's basically a really nice handset right here. So hopefully you can get some really good gameplay out of here. But right here it says that the internals, it has the Snapdragon 720G chipset right here, and 2.3 gigahertz CPU, expandable up to 256. And so I'm really looking forward to checking this out. So I'm going to basically be checking this out for the very first time. I was really impressed with the size of the box, because the box is really big. It comes in this really big box, and so I wasn't expecting that. But let's take a look at it for the first time, and you can see right here that it does say keep playing on the back. It says cloud gaming handheld, and then you have to cut the tape right here. It gives you the trigger, the right control. It looks like there's a volume button here, the D-pad, the joystick. Now on this side it says right here Wi-Fi connectivity, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable, 6,000 milliamp hour battery, USB Type-C charging, powered by Android, and it's gonna have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and everything like that. And right here it says right here that it's this transparency app, so you can check to see if it's the real model. And so I'm pretty impressed with overall specs on this device. So I want to go ahead and cut open the box. And so this says keep playing at the top right here, and at the top right here is basically just a cardboard piece right here, which offers a really nice presentation. And then you're actually greeted with the controller right in here, which is in a styrofoam eggshell carton case. And this actually feels really, really big. So I feel like I'm gonna have some really good gameplay when it comes to this. It's actually pretty, you can see right here, it's pretty sturdy. It's pretty large display when it comes to looking at it. So I'm gonna be pretty impressed when it comes to gaming on here. But this is just my first look at this device, so I'm gonna put it off to the side real quick, and then we're going to take a look at what comes in the packaging. But right here the controls feel really nice. AXBY, you get this button right here. I'm not sure what it is, a home button right here. The blue tape on the front looks like a screen protector, so we're going to peel that off, and then you get another sticker right here. And then on the back It has the Logitech logo for the G Cloud and stuff like that. So let's put this off to the side real quick, see what comes inside of the packaging. And so we're gonna basically be getting the Type-C cable right there inside of the packaging, and you also do get the Logitech, user manual right here. It's gonna tell you all the buttons and stuff like that, and where each button is located, and the component names. Let's put that off to the side. You also do get your safety information right here, so let's put that off to the side. There's like a few more things in here. So this looks like a sticker. So the Logitech sticker, I'm gonna put that over here. And then on the other side of this, doesn't come with too much accessories, but there does look like they did include a wall brick, which is like lodged in here. So I'm gonna see if I can get this out. Okay, there we go. And that's pretty much everything that you're getting in the package. So you do get the wall brick, you do get your charging cables and stuff like that. I'm gonna put that over here. And the wall brick does look like the standard charging adapter. It does say input 100 to 240 volts or 5 amps. 5 amps charging. So I'm gonna see if I could turn this guy on. Right now it's gonna tell you where the buttons are on this guy. So you can see right here, it's giving you all the power switch is 12. So the power switch is going to be at the top of the device right here. And that's how it looks when you turn it on. It says Logitech G powered by Android. I'm going to go ahead and peel off the screen protector. Put that inside of here. And it looks like the volume buttons are above here as well. So you could turn up the volume as well right here. And it gives you the Android, system up right here, so you can hit start. And now you can select your country. I'm gonna go hit next. It's also touchscreen, which is cool, and you can see that it's actually asking for my Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna connect to that real quick. So just to show you right here, when it's reading your Wi-Fi network, right now it's not showing up yet, but it's gonna pop up in just a second. But I'm gonna set this thing up right now, and then we're gonna check out some of the gameplay on here. But let me see, set up offline, continue. We could always come back to that menu, and then it gives you the date, time, and day. So let's just hit next. Google services, allow scanning and location, just hit next. And so it does say you have to agree to read in the terms and conditions. 10-cent games as well, so that's something that's pretty cool. Then you get your screen lock. So I'm gonna set up a pin for this guy right here, and it has good haptics on the screen. So I set up my pin on this thing, and it says you can use it in tablet mode or handheld gaming mode. So let's go with gaming mode. Actually, tablet mode looks pretty cool. Are you sure? It says right here, compared to tablet mode to handheld mode. Number 1, an easy to use console UI with full controller support. Switching between the desktop and the cloud mode won't cause a disconnection. Access to quick menu and other features easily. So let's go reselect. Let's try the handheld mode just to see how that looks, because we know how tablets look. And so right here it says, welcome, play all your PC console games in the palm of your hand. Let's hit A. Designed for cloud gaming. Let's hit next. Local streaming works just as great. Let's go ahead, hit next. Simple keys, simple controls. So right here it gives you all the buttons right here that you need to learn about. The controls are simple, the A and B to cancel. the home button to take you back to the desktop at any time, and then you get to take a screenshot with the left or right function keys. Let's hit next. This is the G button, so you can please go to message and tips, explore now. So it's just basically giving you a walkthrough of this thing. But you can see you get your internet on here, right here. It says right here you get an album, account, messages, settings. So inside of settings, it's gonna have the display features right here. You can adjust the brightness, adaptive brightness on here. Themes, so it gives you some wallpapers to choose from. Sound and battery life, it's at 94% right now. Also the language, the controller, remap buttons, system updates, device information, more settings, Android settings right here. So now you get the Android settings on here as well, so you can do gestures. So this is literally like a tablet that plays games, but it's built for just gaming with the joystick included. So I'm basically gonna set this thing up completely, and then I'm gonna walk you guys through. But you can see that's the volume key right here at the top. There's another key right here on the right hand side, I think. Oh no, that's just design. There's a sticker here at the top. That you can actually peel off. Peel that off right there. And in the bottom you get your headphone jack, your speakers at the bottom, the Type-C cable for charging. So let's get this thing started, and I'm gonna play some games on here real quick, but I'll get right back with you, okay? Okay guys, so I launched this thing to the game cloud right here for Xbox, and I was just looking at some of the games that they got. Need for Speed, Grounded, Star Wars, FIFA, Space Lines from Far Out, Hitman, Touch to play with Touch, most popular games. So you got a lot of games on here from Game Pass that you can choose from. You can see all games as well. Then it gives you the ability to see all the games. So the interface is pretty much straightforward. You play some Xbox 360 games on here. Let's go back, and let's go back again because I wanted to show you some of the other options that you can mess around with. So you right here, you got the Google Play Store. You can log into your account right here with the Logitech account. You got the Google Play Store right here, let you log into it. I'm gonna do that in just a second. It's also got YouTube on here, GeForce Now. So let's go ahead and confirm. It's asking you to update the thing, which you would have to do in the Google Play Store. And then you got Steam Link right here, so you can confirm. And this is what Steam Link looks like. Get started. So it's scanning for computers. So this is pretty cool because you can connect to your computer. No computers running Steam were found, so please use other computer to pair with your computer. So Steam Link, you need a computer to actually use this thing or whatever. So I'm gonna mess around with this in a little bit more detail, and then I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna do a follow-up video, but I'm just gonna play around with this thing for a little bit. But I'll probably just show you like 1 or 2 games real quick, just so you can see the gaming from this guy right now. Okay, I'll be right back. Combat just to test it out on the Xbox, the cloud and everything like that. Oh, so I bet.
Bienvenidos a México. See you on the other side. Follow that car. Past me.
This is actually pretty crazy. The graphics and stuff, they look real solid on here. Real realistic.
There might be a little bit of traffic ahead. Watch out.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much the gameplay, but let me know what you think about this thing. Let me know which games you want to see played on this thing. But honestly, I think it's pretty cool because you can get Xbox games, Play Store games, you know, Xvidea or whatever, and then you can get, you know, pretty much, you know, any game you want to play on here with Xbox. So I think it's going to be pretty solid, especially when it comes to streaming games on this handheld device. It's a 7-point-inch display. The speakers sound pretty loud. It also does have a pretty decent panel as well, and the controls feel pretty good. But let me know what you guys think about this thing. I'm gonna do more videos just to kind of test it, play around with it. But I definitely think that the Logitech G Cloud is actually a pretty decent handheld device in 2023. And let me know what you guys think about this thing down below in the comment section. I'm gonna get right back with you. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.